Good morning, students. In this video we will discuss question answer of where do the teachers go. First question is, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? The poet wants to know this because he has a curiosity to know if his teachers are also ordinary human beings. Second question is, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? The things done by normal people are wearing clothes, wasting time, losing religious books, stealing chocolates, having parents and children washing clothes, watching TV, etc. Next question is, what does he imagine about where teachers live? He imagines if the teachers live in the houses. B. What they do at home. He imagines if they also wash their clothes and watch TV at home. C. The people with whom they live. He imagines if they also have parents and children to live with them. Next, their activities when they were children in school. He imagines if they also did mischiefs and were punished. Next question is, why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? He wonders because his tender mind considers teacher as a super being or god-like creature. Question number 5. How does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he finds out? The poet plans to find out whether teachers are ordinary human beings by spying or following them on their way home after school hours. Once he finds out, he will write a poem. Next question is, what do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punished in the corner, leave their greens. First, punished in the corner means to get punishment after doing a mischief. Second is leave their greens means to not to eat green vegetables. Now, some abstract questions. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? Do they wear pajamas? And do they watch TV? Yes, what is the name of the poet? You know, the name of the poet is Peter Dixon. About whom does the poet want to know? The poet wants to know about their teacher, his teacher. Why did he mention pajamas? Teachers are always dressed nice and wearing pajamas is a common man's habit. So he asks if teachers live ordinary life too. Next question is, what does he want to know about the teacher? He wants to know what does he wants to know about the teachers? He wants to know about the activities of the teacher. Next question is, what is the idea behind the question of the child? The teachers live in ideal life, so it is difficult for the poet to believe that teachers live like common people. Thank you, students.